Like if a brusher says car, we won't understand what's car. We'll feel like their words are changed. That's why we need to learn this accent, even British or American.
Mhm. Yes, you are right. So first of all, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am, to you too.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so this is our first session. So I would like to know a little bit about yourself. So can you just give your short introduction?
Okay, so my name is Aarna. I'm 8 years old. I study in class third and I'm going to fourth. And I study in international public school.
Oh, that's nice. So it's very pretty name, Aarna, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know the meaning of your name?
Yes, it's a beautiful one. It means Goddess Lakshmi.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so this is my turn. So I would like to give my short introduction. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And if I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering from computer science, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company, and it's been 4 years in my company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube channel. That's all about me.
And same pinch, I'm from Bhopal too.
Oh, very nice. So in Bhopal, where are you from?
I'm just in Bhopal, but my native place is Riva.
Okay, okay, perfect. That's nice. Okay, so do you have any question for me or shall I start?
Maybe you start first.
Okay. So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice and poha.
Okay. So you love to eat at your home or you love to go outside?
I eat this food at home.
Okay. So do you love any fast food?
Yes, my favorite junk food is samosa.
Okay. That's lovely. I think it's a very common question, and everyone is going to ask you this question like, how did you start your English journey and how did you learn?
Can I tell can I tell my journey of my English language?
Mm-hmm.
So, well, when I was 3 years old, I sang a poem, a Hindi one, at my school, and I also made a video about it. It is still uploaded in my YouTube channel, and I sang it in a British accent and also in Hindi at the same time. And my principal noticed that in the PTM, my principal told my parents that do you speak with your child in the British accent? When she sang the poem, she sang it in British accent and Hindi at the same time. My parents became so happy that they started to teach me English and this accent. Things first, they don't to know English. They're from a Hindi medium school, so they watch English videos and make notes, and they teach me. So and they don't let me speak in Hindi since I until I'll become six. When I became 6 years old, my parents were in a big tension. How can we teach our child in Hindi? What if we have to give her admission in a Hindi coaching? So they taught me Hindi and English, and my Hindi and English became better.
Okay, it's really a nice journey. So in your hometown as well, you speak in English only with your parents?
I speak in Hindi with my parents, most of the time English.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so do you watch any cartoons or any TV serials?
Yes, and my here TV has a black colored electric box, which is from a company, Extreme Fable, and I watch some channels like Nick Jr., Nick, Sonic, Disney Jr., and CBeebies.
Okay. So which one is your favorite?
All four at the same time.
Okay. That's nice. Okay, even I wanted to learn, British accent, but I didn't focus much on this part. But sometimes I struggle while talking with different native speakers because of their accent. Sometimes I don't get what they are saying exactly. What are the things that you can suggest me that I won't face this kind of difficulties?
For that, you have to learn the British accent or the American accent.
Okay. Okay, what do you think? Is it necessary to speak in that accent only, or it's okay to speak in our accent only?
I think it will be okay to speak in the Indian accent, but in the British accent, if you learn this accent,
Mm-hmm.
if if you're talking to a foreigner, and the Indians will think that Britishers don't speak words that we say. Like if a Britisher says car, we won't understand what's car. We'll
Mm-hmm.
feel like their words are changed. That's why we need to learn this accent, even British or American.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are right. Yeah, most of the time it happens because why we are not able to understand them because we haven't listened a lot. So that is the main reason that I am not able to understand sometimes because I'm not listening to any native speakers. So that is the main reason. And yes, sometimes they contract the word as you told that they are just saying cow like that. So that's why we are not able to understand them properly.
Oh,
So do you know the differences also like in American or British accent?
yes.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, apart from this English language, are you learning anything else?
Well, no.
No?
Well, I'm
Is
do
it
learning this accent called to the British accent. Also, it is called the modern RP.
okay? So, apart from English language, do you have any hobbies that you love to do?
Well, I like good. Well, I have two hobbies: to
Mm-hmm.
dance and to sing.
Oh, very nice. So, which kind of songs you like most?
I know some songs. Also, one song from a cartoon.
Okay, which one it is? Can you sing?
It's a it's a song from the cartoon Masha and the Bear. It's a space song.
Okay.
We wait inside a rocket, we wait inside a rocket, and listen to the countdown, and listen to the countdown. Prepare for the blast off, prepare for the blast off, to go for the race, to go for the race. The kids have been singing, the kids have been singing, and every time in town, and every time in town. Let's go exploring, let's go exploring, the galaxy is big. The galaxies and space, the deep outer space, where you're going to fly, the show the world from beyond. The deep outer space, where you're going to fly, the shining bright little star.
Oh, it's very nice. And you are singing very well. Okay, that's really nice that you have, in such a young age, you are learning a lot of things and you have good hobbies also. Okay, so may I ask one question? Have you ever thought like what you want to become when you grow up?
Yes, I want to become Well, I want to become an IAS officer.
Okay. So is there any reason that you want to become only IAS and no other things?
I want to become an IAS officer because IAS officer has a power to go to one place to another. If he if and he also can think that something is happening in a house and he'll go to that house. If he did find something really bad happening there, he will call the IPS, the International Police Service, and they'll have to go to jail.
Okay, yes. Yes, IAS have the power that, he can, whatever he wants to change in the society or any of the state where they are working. So that's a great thing. And yes, it's a very good idea that you have to become IAS officer.
But for that, more and more studies. He also had to give an exam called UPSC.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, I haven't thought about this thing because I thought I have to do the study more and more. So that's why, yeah, I was very studious since my childhood, but still I didn't thought about this things that I have to become an IAS officer. Most of the people told me that you are very good at studies, so why are you not giving this kind of exam? You should give, but I haven't thought about this thing because I wanted to go in a different side. I wanted to work in a software company, so that's why my interest was in here only. So that is the main reason. Yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 25.
Oh,
I turned 26 this year.
and my and there's some 3 months left for my birthday.
Okay. And how old you will become? 13? 9?
9. Yes.
Okay. Oh, I was remembering one other girl I talked yesterday only. She was 12, so that's why it came from my mouth that she will become 13.
Oh.
Okay, so I have seen your videos as well, and yes, you are speaking very well, and in such a young age, you are speaking very well, and you are mostly aware about these things. Most of the people are facing these difficulties while speaking English language.
Oh.
Uh, you won't believe I didn't focus on speaking part, especially English language, till my college, I would say. And when I was giving interview for my job, that time I got rejected in so many interviews because of my communication skills. That time only I realized that no, English is very important and we should learn this language. And yes, some other difficulties also I faced when I went to south part, South India. Then I had to talk in English because they don't know my mother tongue and I don't know their mother tongue. So that's why I faced very difficulties that time when I have to speak with them. Okay, so after that, I realized only that yes, I should work on my communication skills. So that is the main reason that I am learning this language. And yes, I have improved a lot, but still I feel difficulties because I don't have much vocabulary. I would say is it is happening with you or not? Like sometimes you face these difficulties if you are not getting any words. It happens with you or not?
Well, no.
No? Okay, so we can say this, you have good vocabulary as well. It's really nice. Okay, so do you have any question for me?
Well, I have one now.
Okay, go ahead.
What are your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies, I love to do drawing and dancing as well. But I'm not very pro in this thing. I'm just doing it for fun only.
Yes, and dinner tomorrow I'm going to do a farewell party at my house with my friends.
Oh, that's nice. Farewell party for what?
For for my last day of class third.
Okay. That's nice. So, have you planned anything? What are what are you going to do?
Well, I have planned some things. First, we're going to dance, then, we're going to play games, and we're going to eat chocolates and have fun.
Oh,
Can I tell the names of my friends? I
mhm.
invited only two. My friends named Rashi and Sadhana, my two best friends.
Okay. So why are only two best friends? Why they are only your best friend? Why not others? Is there anything that you like about them?
Yes, Rashi is Rashi is such a nice girl, although although she is 10 years old.
Okay.
And, and my best friend Sadhana, well, she's from UP. Her dad just got a job there. He is in RAF, and she's going to stay there for 3 years.
Okay. So that's the reason that they have your they are your best friend.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you don't have any boys, male friend?
Yes, I have two male friends named Manad and Vihan.
Okay, so they are living in your neighborhood or from school?
No, no, no. Vihan lives in Olive, and Manad, I don't know.
Okay. Thank you, and thank you so much for joining this call. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye bye.